exciting times here at the college. After several years of planning, we've commenced work on our Civil Engineering Training Centre. We'll be open in September 2021 for a range of training courses, apprenticeships, T-levels, and all matters connected to civil engineering and training. We're working with fantastic partners and look forward to opening later this year.
Hello, my name is Chris Nattrass, Principal at Lakes College. Our centre will be open for training in civil engineering from this September, here at our 9-acre, dedicated, very high quality, very well resourced centre. We're really excited to be working with local stakeholders and employers here in Cumbria. Story Construction are a fantastic partner to be working with on the design and build, and our great relations with regional employers right up and down the supply chain mean we can develop a centre that is fully fit for the job and one that we can all be really proud of.